Okay, so here, if you wanted to simulate this, you would run the Metropolis algorithm. I'll talk more about Metropolis algorithm tomorrow, actually. So you'll learn. But basically, you will run the Metropolis algorithm. You will let your system equilibrate at a certain temperature, and then decrease the temperature, simulate again. Decrease the temperature, simulate again. Okay? And here you do exactly the same thing. Now your energy is related to nodes in a network, blah, blah, blah. You don't care about that. It's exactly the same problem, exactly. And now it's perfect. So you start with a high temperature. Now temperature doesn't mean anything, but you have a computational temperature that allows you to jam a lot. And then you decrease your temperature slowly, and hopefully you will be directed towards that maximum modularity. Okay? This is the real thing, is annealing. This thing with a computer is simulated annealing, and this thing is simulated annealing with something that is not a real energy, but a real physical system, but it doesn't matter. You can minimize whatever you want with this thing. Okay? So, there you go.